Mossman. As you can see, we haven't quite adjusted our GoPros at that stage, or I hadn't. But anyway, there's a nice picture of the road looking down. Here we go, that's a bit better. So we started off on this beautiful trip through the rainforest. It was fairly long but very scenic. A couple of potholes there. The road was really nice and smooth, and yeah, it wasn't any particular problem at all. It was a little bit muddy because it had just rained, and there was a lot more rain in the air. So it was probably a good 4 hours at this meandering pace, and we probably a little bit later on we wish we had gone a little bit faster because it was the easiest part of the day. But anyway, here's a bit more scenery of the Black Mountain Road. I'll just let you listen to the beautiful sounds of nature as we rip through it on our 450 motorbikes. And here we go, aboard the Husqvarna this time. The GoPro's a little bit better positioned, so you can just see the little H on the front there. There we go, more trees. Lots of really nice ones actually, a couple of little ferns there on the side. The gums. Even a little bit of fungus there on the side, a little mushroom. A couple of leaves. Beautiful stuff really. Oh, there's a bit of grass too, that was really nice. Didn't see any stinging trees, but weren't really looking for them either. There we go, around a corner. Right, plenty more of this footage, so keep watching. Here we have Tamara, who opted to ride the 1995 Honda Truck Chaser. It is a dirt bike, but it doesn't have the dirt bike ergos where you normally stand on the pegs. So this ride is nice and flat, but it was easy to ride like you're sitting on a potty. But that started to get a little bit thin when we started to hit the corrugations a bit later on. Here we go, coming up to a bridge which broke the monotony a bit. Very treacherous looking, plenty of crocs on each side of that. A glance over the shoulder to make sure everything was attached to the back wheel as we came through. And a bit more rainforest up ahead. And after about 3 hours of just the same road and rainforest, we suddenly came to a bit of a change of scenery. Someone else got a bit pissed off with all the trees too, so they just wiped them all out. Beautiful. Yeah, really made the ride a lot better. The change of scenery was unbelievable. I think they're going to make a bit of farmland out of this. So yeah. Knocked down a couple of trees and yeah, it just improves usability. I think it's better for everyone. They kept the road the same, which is a bit of a shame. Hopefully they can put a bit of bitumen down or something like that. There we go. This is what they call the Elephant of the North logging truck, carrying the timber to the mill for firewood. And the next bit was a trip down into Mossman, just all bitumen. So it was a little bit boring, probably actually a little bit slower. And here we go, arrived in Cape Tribulation.
Hello, are you filming? This is a pirate island. Look at the flag right there.
Then after a bit of lunch at about 2 or 3 o'clock, it was time to catch the ferry across the Daintree and hit the harder bit of the track for the day, or the second half, which was the Bloomfield Track.
Ferry, are we going? We're going in the ferry. Oh, crocodiles, shit. That's no good. Did you see the crocodile sign? There's a crocodile sign. Made it. Oh, that was hard, I tell you. It was very. My food is so full of water. For a second, I was thinking like, oh, why did I bring 2 salts?
There we go, 2 Croc Slides.
Yeah. Yep.
Right above my finger.
There they are. Somewhere there. Don't fall in there, babe.
And then we ran out of batteries, so we had nothing else to record. We made it into Cooktown through a big tropical thunderstorm. Had a meal at the RSL, but didn't take any photos of that. So here's a picture of a pub. We'll see you next time.